Here from Renerworld Global Limited. We just installed this 20 kVA system with 30 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery. Currently there are some appliances on it. You can see the load on this is 800 watts, and on this is also about 800 watts. Now they are powering a single AC, but this system is capable of powering a lot more appliances. I think this AC is here to pick up. Every year is powered by the inverter system. Now the inverter is powering 2 buildings, and I'll show you this building shortly. So we ran a wire, up like this. I ran it over to the second building. So you can see the second building powered by the inverter system. Some bulbs here are not working, but their ACs are currently powered.
Okay, you know what? That's not you, no worries.